They are saying, the Mirror, first of all, there's an emergency in the NHS due to COVID infections. They say 1 in 10 staff absent from work on New Year's Eve. Daily Telegraph reflecting the situation in schools with backlash at masks. In schools as cases ease, they say. Some Conservative MPs have called for a rethink over the plan to force children to wear these masks throughout the school day as infection levels seemingly drop. Daily Express goes with Boris holding his nerve as the NHS feels the strain. They say that the Prime Minister won't introduce further restrictions because officials believe that data on Omicron indicates they're not yet necessary. Here's the Mail. A look at the cost of living crisis, saying that pressure is building on the Prime Minister over escalating energy bills. Now, I know this is something that is actually affecting so many of you, and so many of you have got something to say about this. Tell us your stories, gbviews@gbnews.uk, or tweet at gbnews. Now, Boris Johnson facing demands to honour a Brexit campaign pledge to scrap VAT on fuel, and that would take 60 quid off an annual utility bill. Times leading with ministers confident new curbs not needed. It quotes a senior member of the cabinet who says the public have already made significant changes to behaviour to protect themselves. Also focusing on schools, here's The Guardian. The government has told head teachers to merge classes to cope with staff off sick. Heads have also been told to use support staff and allow some classes to be taught remotely. Daily Star says we're set for a polar plunge, with the country facing temperatures as low as -10. It says the cold weather will start to bite from today, and of course that again impacts on heating bills, and some people really having to make a choice of whether literally to heat or eat. In the studio to talk about those stories and more